The Internet of Things, or IoT, has been around for a while. It's a term used to describe how smart devices harness the internet to make them, well, smart. However, with this intelligence comes potential vulnerabilities and challenges. Everyday gadgets such as smart speakers, cell phones and fitness trackers are diverse and plentiful but are sometimes designed with functionality in mind rather than security. Used in the home and on the move, by consumers, organizations, and governments, the sheer volume of sensitive data captured by them is staggering. And more connected devices mean more opportunities for data breaches and the potential for data to be stolen by cybercriminals. Notorious for their inherent security flaws, an insecure IoT device can be used by an attacker to gain a foothold on an organization's network. Indeed, connecting them to a corporate network can leave an organization highly exposed to the risk of cyberattacks. Out-of-the-box security that comes with smart devices is usually very basic and generally inadequate. This marks them as a perfect target for attack and a serious security risk for their owners. There are countless security challenges for IoT devices. In the rush to bring a product to market, security best practices during development are not always followed. In addition, there may be a lack of security updates following launch and they can often be difficult to patch. Many devices come with weak default passwords which, if not changed by the user, leave them vulnerable to password hacking and brute force attacks. The growing volume of smart devices has attracted a reciprocal rise in malware and ransomware to exploit them. And botnet-infected devices can be exploited to perform automated attacks on other systems. Data privacy is a real concern with these devices. The vast array of sensitive data they store, transmit and process is not always treated with the care it deserves. Encryption, for example, is often overlooked. In addition, the terms of service that users agree to but rarely read, can sometimes allow their data to be shared with or sold to third parties. IoT devices often use insecure network interfaces and protocols or insufficient data authentication. Although they've played a part in the remote working boom, home network security failings have highlighted smart device security vulnerabilities. The number of connected gadgets in households has increased exponentially in recent years. Maintaining adequate security across all of these is important but often proves very difficult. Devices come in all shapes and sizes, and so do the security standards, or more often than not the lack of them. There are some best practices you should follow to enhance IoT device and network security. Update firmware regularly and turn on automatic updates. Gadgets that use outdated software can be easily compromised. Establish strong unique passwords for your Wi-Fi network and devices, and always change default passwords. A password manager can help make this easy. Check default privacy and security settings and amend them as necessary. Disable unused features such as Bluetooth, as they can provide additional ways for a hacker to breach security. Enable multi-factor authentication where available. Remove any devices on your home network that don't need to be connected. If out and about, use your private mobile service rather than public Wi-Fi. If using public Wi-Fi is unavoidable, then use a VPN. IoT security provides the protection needed for these devices from unauthorized access and ensures that they don't provide a gateway for external threats to spread to other parts of the network. Be smart. Stay safe.